Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not showing in Windows 10 with easy to follow steps. So, without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. Before going any further, the first thing you should do is restart your PC. Sometimes a simple restart is all it takes to fix the issue. On your keyboard, press Alt and F4, click this arrow right here and select Restart. Afterwards, click OK to restart your system. If the last step didn't work for you, try this. Click the Windows icon, then type CMD for command prompt. Select Run as administrator. In the command prompt window, type in this command and hit enter. If you get a result like this, you will then know that the issue is not hardware related. If you do not get a message like this, it indicates a hardware issue with your Wi-Fi adapter. I recommend taking your system in for repairs at this point. If the last step didn't work for you, press the Windows key and I on your keyboard. Select Update and Security, then click Troubleshoot. Select Additional Troubleshooters. Down here, click Network Adapter, then click this to run the troubleshooter. Select Wi-Fi, then click Next. Sometimes the troubleshooter is able to detect issues and fix them automatically. Press the Windows key and I on your keyboard. Click Network and Internet. Scroll down and click this button, Network Reset. Afterwards, restart your system and see if the issue has been fixed. Click the Windows icon, then type Services. Hit Enter to open it up. On this page, scroll down till you locate WLAN Autoconfig. Right-click and select Properties. If the status says stopped, click the Start button here and ensure that startup type is set to automatic over here. Click Apply, then click OK. If it was already running, click this button here, Restart the service. Press the Windows key and I on your keyboard, then click Network and Internet. Select Change Adapter Options. If your Wi-Fi adapter is grayed out, right-click and select Enable. If it's not disabled, right-click, select Disable, right-click and select Enable again. Right-click the Windows icon, then click Device Manager. Click Network Adapters to expand it and locate your Wi-Fi adapter. Right-click and select Update Driver. Since you're not online, click Browse my computer for drivers and let me pick from a list of available drivers. On this list here, pick a model previous to the one currently installed, then click Next. Once the installation is complete, restart your system and see if the issue has been fixed. Right-click the Windows icon, then select Device Manager. Once again, click Network Adapter, then right-click your Wi-Fi adapter and select Properties. Click the Power Management tab, then untick this box here. Afterwards, click OK. Check your Wi-Fi to see if the issue has been fixed. If your Wi-Fi is still not showing at this point, follow these steps. Right-click the Windows icon, then click Device Manager. Locate Network Adapter, then click it to expand it. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter, then select Uninstall Device. Ensure that this box remains unchecked. Click Uninstall, restart your system, then Windows will automatically reinstall the driver. If for some reason the driver doesn't install automatically, you need to go to another PC and download the correct drivers from your manufacturer's website. Simply type in your system's model number, search for the Wi-Fi adapter driver, download it, then copy it to an external hard drive, then install it in your PC. Right-click the Windows icon, then click Run. Type in msconfig, then hit Enter. Click the Services tab, then click Enable All. Click Apply, click OK, then restart your PC. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.